What's going on, guys? Tyler here, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial video. And in today's video, we're creating some eye-catching thumbnails, but we're creating them extremely fast. Now, this method is completely free, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure and drop a like so this video gets boosted in the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys haven't yet, hit that nice red looking subscribe button, join the family, and be notified of upcoming videos just like this one. Now, this method is going to require just two things. The first is either a camera or a cell phone to take a picture, and the second is we need to edit that photo, so either a computer or a cell phone with an editing app. Now, once you have those two things, you're ready to start. So in step one, we're going to capture a photo of the subject. Now, I'm presenting this YouTube video, so I will be the subject in this case. First, let's find a good spot with some good lighting so that I'll be illuminated in the photo. Next, I'll go ahead and pose with some sort of emotion that relates to the video. Now, if we were creating a surprising and shocking video, I would use some kind of emotion that really just shows how exciting and surprising this is. If we were creating a tutorial or I was sharing some sort of expertise with you, then we would use some kind of pose that really exudes confidence and authority. Now, once we've captured the photo, we're going to head over to our computer and start editing. And this brings us to step two, where we now have our photo on our computer. We're going to head over to the website remove.bg, and that BG stands for background. So once we're on the website remove.bg, we'll go ahead and upload our photo, and then this website is going to use AI to go ahead and crop out the entire background of our photo. So all that should be left is the subject, which in this case is me. Now, this works like magic, and usually it takes out the background completely, but in case it missed a little tiny spot here or there, you can actually use their tool, the erase or restore tool, to make any fine adjustments. Once the background has been completely removed from the photo, we're ready to download. Now, you can purchase credits and actually download the HD version of this photo, but I'm just going to go ahead and download the preview version. Typically, YouTube thumbnails are small enough, it's not going to make that much of a difference. Now that we've got our photo downloaded, we're ready to move on to step three. Let's head over to the website canva.com. Now, you may need to sign up for a Canva account if you don't have one yet, but we're going to go ahead and create a custom design. Now, the dimensions that we need to use are 1280 width by 720 height. Those are the dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail. Now, Canva will load up a blank canvas for us, and we can go ahead and begin creating. The first step is we're going to go over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side and search up the element gradient. Now, I'm looking for the gradient that has this kind of purple to kind of an aqua fade in it, and it is a square. I'm going to go ahead and stretch out this gradient all the way to the left-hand side till it kind of snaps in place, and all the way to the right-hand side where it kind of snaps in place. Now, this should cover the entire background of our canvas, and we can go ahead and actually choose which colors we want to use as the background colors. I typically just pick two random colors and see if they work well together. You might also consider using brand colors or logo colors if you're talking about a specific product or item, but create a nice looking background. Next, we're going to go ahead and upload the photo of our subject with the background removed. Once this uploads, we can go ahead and resize the image so that it fits nicely in the thumbnail. Now, I like to add text to the thumbnail because I think it helps the viewer know what this video is about. I'm going to go ahead and change the text color to white and resize and reposition the text. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and click effects at the very top, and I'm going to go ahead and click the lift effect. This will create kind of a shadow behind the text and makes the text pop off just a little bit more. Now, the last step is simply to add elements to our thumbnail. Canva has a wide range of elements that you can add directly onto your canvas. I'm going to go ahead and add the YouTube logo so people know that this video is related to YouTube. Another thing I really like to add is a screenshot. Now, something I really focus on when creating a thumbnail is focusing on the simpleness of the thumbnail. I don't want there to be too many elements on the thumbnail that it just gets crowded and overwhelming. Now, once we're done, we're going to go ahead and click that download button at the top right hand corner and make sure that the file type is set to a PNG, and then we'll click download. And congratulations, guys, you are finished creating an awesome eye-catching thumbnail. If you guys liked today's video, be sure and drop a like and hit that nice red looking subscribe button if you want to see more YouTube tutorials just like this one in the future. I do have a lot of links down below in the description to a lot of different resources as well as other YouTube tutorial videos, so if you want to check those out, check down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.